Welcome bosses. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a product or service to sell. You're going to log into your dashboard and you're clicking product and services. I suggest that you watch the appointment videos we created before you watch this because a lot of that information that you'll need for this, we already discussed over there. But what you're going to do is, and first of all, I set one up just to save some time, but to add packages, you just click on that and then you can add as many packages as you want. You have unlimited packages. But let me show you how this works. We're going to go and edit it. So the first thing you'll notice is that there are three types of packages. You have service-based, physical product, and digital product. The difference is that a service is something you're selling via time, whether it's a book time or just a service that you offer. Physical product is obviously like a book that you're selling, or if you maybe a yoga mat, if you have yoga classes. Or a digital product, which could be like an ebook or PDF report or videos, etc. But we're going to go with services. And you'll see I'm choosing a 1-hour consulting. Now you'll see that the next thing you want to choose is, will the clients be asked to choose a date and time, or will they not? The difference is for this, they're consulting me for an hour, so I want them to actually book a date and time. But if they're hiring me to create a logo, that doesn't have to be booked via date and time, so you'll just click that, and you won't have to worry about being booked for a date or time. But again, we'll keep that open. The duration will be 1 hour because it's a 1-hour consultation. Price is $300. Payment options, you could take either online payments, offline payments, or both. So we're going to choose both. Cutoff days is 2, which means I don't want people booking me. I want at least a 2 days lead time. And padding is 1 hour in my calendar. So if I have anything else going on, I'll have at least an hour before and after for this consultation. We'll show this every 30 minutes, and the maximum cutoff day is 21 days, which means nobody could book me more than 3 weeks out, and max participants is 1. Description, meet with me and I'll help your company grow. And then you could add, this is unique for products and services, you could add photos and YouTube videos. So let's add a couple, show you how that works. You could add from your files, web address, camera, Facebook, or Instagram. But let's just take a picture here. Looks good to me. Upload it. You know what? Let me pick another one. That looks cool. Move it around, crop it, whatever you want to do. Upload. And then, of course, you could add a video, a YouTube video. Just put in the full link of the video. And you'll see that you have a video here as well. And you could drag and drop, put it whatever order you want. So let's put the video in between the 2 pictures. Success message. Thanks, I look forward to our meeting. Redirect URL, where I wanted to go after people make the booking. I'm not going to hide this because I want this to show up on my main page. I'm going to change the text to consult with me, the button text. And, I'm not going to make this a in Zoom meeting because I want people to meet with me in person. And approval required means that even though they make the booking, I have to approve it before we confirm the actual date and time. That way I'm able to reschedule if I need to, and I'll show you how that works as well. We're going to push to both my calendars, in both ways, double sync, and click Save Package. Let's take a look how this looks now, view your page. So you can see this is the page we set up already, and you'll see that you have the appointments that you already set up, and over here you have the service offering. And you can see here, you could scroll through the pictures in the video that we had added. And of course you can customize the colors as with everything on this page, and you'll see that the dates and times are available. And you'll see now, let's put in Dave Smith because he's my cousin, and we'll just put Dave Smith. Actually, you know what? Let's put book like a boss at gmail.com. That way we can show you what that looks like. And you can take PayPal payments or offline. And of course, if you added Square or Stripe, you'll be able to take those credit card payments as well. You can see, remember, we customize Consult With Me, customize the button over here. And you click that, and boom, I'm now booked. But it's pending confirmation because, remember, I said this is going to be... it has to be confirmed. This is the thank you message. Thanks, I look forward to our meeting. I can now add this to my calendars. And we'll click OK, and this should forward to booklikeaboss.com, which it does. Okay, so now, but let's go back to the dashboard, because now that you saw that we have that booking, so I'll show you what that looks like, which is the Dave Smith, the one we just did. You can see this from your dashboard. You could click on the eye to see more. And it has the basic information that was filled out. Now, because it has to be approved, so I can either approve this time, or I could reschedule it, or I could decline it. If you click the reschedule, right, so I could suggest a new date, like say, hey, Wednesday doesn't work for me, maybe Thursday does, and definitely, I don't know, 12:15 a.m. sounds like a good time, right? And I could give them a comment, say, hey, that earlier time doesn't work for me, would this time work best? And then you can reschedule the booking. Or I could let the client choose, and I could just say, hey, that time does work for me. Please choose another date and time. Then he'll get your calendar again to choose another date and time. I could decline it and let him know, hey, sorry, I'm going to be out of the country for the next 3 months. Try me again in 3 months, or whatever you want to, whatever reason you have for declining it. Or you could just approve it. Are you sure that you'd like to approve this order? Yes, the date and time works. I'm just going to click approve. The booking was approved. So now you could see that I could still reschedule it, or I could cancel it, but it's now been approved. Your client will get a confirmation email that it was approved. And now if you look at your bookings, you'll see that we have this booking. Hold on. Oh, forgot what date I had booked it for. Yeah, the 1 hour consultation. And you can see it here, and of course you could reschedule as well. And you could also see it in clients. You'll see that Dave Smith is now one of my clients over here. And that's basically how you sell a product or service using our system. And on to the next video.